Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to open Lloyd's savings account. First, you should open lloydsbank.com, and after that, you will have to scroll down till you get to this partition right here, then click on savings, or you can simply go to the search bar and type here savings and choose savings account. Then it will show you this page. Click on learn more, and now you have to scroll down till you get all the types of savings accounts. So you have here the details on the right side, how much is the minimum deposit, the withdrawals, the interest, and so on. So you can simply check each one of them and see which one is better for you. And here in my case, I'll choose the first one. So I'm going to choose this one right here. And after that, you'll have to click on apply now. And keep in consideration that each one of these savings accounts will have its own requirements for application. So I'm going to click on apply now right here. And after that, you will have to answer some questions. I'm going to click on no. Then here it will show you some information. You can click on the plus sign and more about this type of the asked question. And after that, go down here and click on apply now if you are new to Lloyds Bank. And if you are already a customer, just click on register and apply. But here in my case, I'm new to Lloyds Bank, so I'm going to click on apply now. Then here it will show you that you have 3 steps. Now you have to fill in these information down below. So I'm going to click on doctor, then I'm going to type my full name right here. And after filling in all these information, you can simply click on this plus sign right here and type where do you live exactly. So make sure guys to fill in all these information. You have more than one section. You have about you, where you live, and you have to fill in all these information in details. You have more about you, the contact details, the marketing choices, and so on. And now after filling in all these information, you can simply click on continue right here. And after that, we'll jump you into the next step, and you have to fill in more information, and you have to enter also your bank account that you are going to deposit your money from in order to open your account in Lloyds. So don't worry, the process is simple. All you have to do is to just fill in some information. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.